What's up everyone, this is Ryan here. Today I just want to do an update video on the brand new X580 mower. Now as you can see, I know that this thing got used on this thing got used on Sunday, then it got used again on Saturday because well, because you can see this mower is supposed to actually really good with the 54-inch deck on it, which I think it looks pretty cool in my hand. But I know this thing will get used again this weekend as well, because I know since the fact it's gonna get used almost quite a bit, because thanks to this battery right here exactly. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it exactly, because there's this battery here exactly, because you can see, because like I said, this mower hasn't been started since Monday, okay? So you get to, but they got used on Sunday, which it did get used on Sunday, then it got used again on Saturday. So I know this weekend it's gonna get used again. I know that, because you can tell this thing's gonna get used almost quite a bit, because I mean, I do like this mower because it's like got the 54-inch deep deck on it, and that's because you could see how much you expected this thing exactly with the foot transmission on it, transaxle, whatever it's called. I don't know exactly, because I mean, this thing does a very good job, in my opinion. But this is a pretty nice looking mower in my opinion, but you can see that's how much we expected this exactly. So this thing will get used again this weekend as well, so if the grass comes back, if it's not raining or something like that, this thing will get used again this weekend as well.